Hey there everyone, welcome back to Dotside. If you're passionate about motorcycles, reviews, and all things on two wheels, then you've come to the right place. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Now today, we've got something truly special to talk about. The much anticipated 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS 400Z. This is one of the most exciting motorcycles in the market, especially for those who crave both performance and style in a single package. So let's dive right into the details of this beauty and see what Bajaj has cooked up for us this time. Bajaj has always been a household name in the Indian motorcycle industry, especially known for its Pulsar lineup. The Pulsar brand particularly has managed to capture the hearts of riders across the country with its performance-oriented bikes, aggressive styling, and affordability. The Pulsar NS series, with its naked street fighter look, has been one of the most beloved among riders who want a balance of sportiness and practicality. The 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS 400Z, however, takes things up a notch. Bajaj has not just focused on the styling or performance, but has introduced a range of innovations and improvements to keep up with the growing demands of modern riders. So let's break it down and take a closer look at what makes this bike so special. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS 400Z, one thing is clear: this is a bold, muscular machine. The design is inspired by Bajaj's philosophy of blending aggression with sophistication, and the NS 400Z doesn't disappoint in that department. Starting with the front, the aggressive and sharp headlamp design gives it a fierce look. The LED headlamp features a signature DRL, daytime running light, pattern that makes the bike instantly recognizable, even from a distance. The bodywork around the tank is more sculpted, giving it an even more aggressive stance compared to its predecessors. The lines flow smoothly from the front to the rear, creating a cohesive look that screams performance. The fuel tank has been enlarged for a more substantial appearance, and it now features a more refined design with sharper edges. This makes the bike look more premium, while also improving ergonomics for the rider. The tank extensions are now better integrated into the overall bodywork, giving the NS 400Z a more streamlined and cohesive look. The seat is split, with a slightly lower height for better comfort, especially during long rides. One of the most noticeable changes is the tail section. The rear fender has been redesigned to make it look even sportier, with a sharper cut and more angular tail light. The rear seat cowl adds to the bike's sportier nature and overall design. Bajaj has also updated the bike panels, giving them a more muscular look while keeping the bike lightweight. Now let's talk about the heart of the Bajaj Pulsar NS 400Z. Its engine. The NS 400Z is powered by a 399cc liquid-cooled DOHC single-cylinder engine. This engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox and is tuned for both city commuting and spirited highway riding. But the big question on everyone's mind is, how does it perform? The power output is impressive, around 40 horsepower, with a peak torque of 35 Nm. That's a significant jump from the previous Pulsar NS 200, and it positions the NS 400Z as a serious contender in the mid-range motorcycle segment. Bajaj has fine-tuned the engine to deliver a smooth power band, especially in the mid-range, which is crucial for city riding. The 2025 Pulsar NS 400Z offers an exhilarating ride right from the moment you twist the throttle. The bike feels responsive in the lower revs, but it really comes alive as you push it higher. The acceleration is quick, and the bike has enough grunt to make overtaking a breeze. The power delivery is linear, which makes it easy to handle, even for less experienced riders. On highways, the NS 400Z shines with its stability and high-speed performance. The bike reaches its top speed without feeling jittery, and its power ensures that it maintains composure even at higher speeds. When it comes to the ride quality, Bajaj has equipped the 2025 Pulsar NS 400Z with a frame that provides excellent stability. The perimeter frame offers great rigidity and ensures that the bike handles well at high speeds, while also offering the agility you need for city commutes. For suspension, the NS400Z gets an upside-down USD front fork and twin rear shock absorbers. The USD fork not only enhances the aesthetics of the bike, giving it a more modern look, but also improves the overall handling. It reduces the weight on the front end and enhances the bike's responsiveness during aggressive riding or cornering. At the rear, the twin shock absorbers have been optimized for both comfort and performance. Whether you're riding on smooth highways or navigating through potholes, the suspension setup offers a great balance between comfort and control. The ride is firm but not harsh, which means you can enjoy long-distance trips without feeling fatigued. When it comes to braking, Bajaj has not skimped on safety. The 2025 Pulsar NS 400Z comes with a 300Z battery over a 600 kilowatt front disc and a 230-inch rear disc, both of which are paired with dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. The braking system offers plenty of bite, and the bike comes to a halt quickly and confidently, even in emergency situations. The dual-channel ABS system helps keep the bike stable during hard braking, especially on slippery surfaces or in wet conditions. Handling the NS400Z is a breeze thanks to the well-balanced frame and lightweight construction. The bike feels nimble when navigating tight corners and responsive when you need it to be. Despite its larger size compared to smaller Pulsar models, the NS400Z feels agile and easy to maneuver, making it an excellent choice for urban environments where quick turns and weaving through traffic are essential. Now let's move on to the tech and features. The 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS 400Z is packed with the latest features that riders expect in a performance-oriented motorcycle. The digital instrument cluster is one of the standout features. It provides a clear and easy-to-read display with all the necessary information such as speed, RPM, fuel gauge, trip details, and a clock. The display is also backlit, making it easy to read in low-light conditions. Bajaj also integrated an advanced ride-by-wire system which ensures smooth throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. This system adapts to your riding style and provides better control, especially in different riding conditions. It also contributes to the overall refinement of the engine, making the NS400Z more fun to ride, while also being more fuel efficient. Additionally, the bike comes with LED lighting all around, from the headlamp to the tail light, which not only improves visibility, but also gives the Pulsar NS 400Z a modern and premium look. The indicators are also more angular and sharp, complementing the overall aggressive styling of the bike. When it comes to comfort, Bajaj has made sure that the NS 400Z is a capable commuter as well as a performance machine. The ergonomics are well thought out, with the handlebar being placed at a height that reduces strain on the rider's wrists, even during long rides. The foot pegs are positioned in a way that offers a good balance between comfort and control, whether you're riding in the city or on the open road. The seat is wide and provides good cushioning for long rides. The split seat design ensures that the passenger also gets a comfortable ride. The seat height is not too tall, which makes it accessible for a wide range of riders, including those who may be on the shorter side. So, what can you expect to pay for this beast? The 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS 400Z is expected to be priced around 12.2 lakh to 12.4 lakh expose room in India. This makes it a solid competitor in the 400cc segment, offering fantastic value for money considering its features, performance, and styling. In terms of competition, the NS 400Z will be going up against bikes like the KTM 390 Duke, the Yamaha R3, and the Honda CBR 500R. While these bikes also offer strong performance, the NS 400Z stands out with its aggressive styling, Bajaj brand reliability, and its slightly more accessible pricing. So there you have it, the 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS 400Z, a powerful, stylish, and feature-packed motorcycle that brings a lot to the table for riders looking for both performance and value. Whether you're cruising the city streets or tearing up the highway, the NS400Z is ready to take you on an unforgettable ride. What do you think about the 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS 400Z? Is it on your list of potential bikes, or do you have other contenders in mind? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Bajaj Pulsar NS4. This is the latest album in the Racketeers Trail Volkswagen series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ride safe.